Hello, fourth graders, and welcome to your final week of fourth grade in 2020. So here's what's happening this week. In math, we're going to be wrapping up our unit on metric measurement. So on Thursday, kids will have a solo task to complete. That's kind of an end of unit assessment. And just one quick change for Dreambox and Lexia. Kids have the same goals and everything, but they're just going to reflect on it a little differently in Seesaw. So what that will look like after you complete Dreambox or Lexia is you'll tell me how it went. How many lessons did you do in Dreambox, or how many minutes did you work in Lexia, and then how did it go? Was it too easy, just right, or too hard? That will kind of help me adjust the calendar lessons as needed at the beginning of the week, as opposed to hearing about it at the end of the week. So just make sure you reflect on that. In word work this week, we're going to work on vowel combinations. It'll just be working in your blue word work packet. For Reader's Workshop on Monday, everyone's going to be reading the Time for Kids magazine that's in your packet, and then the rest of the week your goal is just to read for fun. So pretty easy week for reading, and it might be a great time when you're reading for pleasure to just go back and do some of the library assignments that Miss Audell posted and have her read to you, and that is reading. That counts as reading. Okay. For Writer's Workshop, there's kind of a bigger project this week, so that's why reading is a little light, because writing is a bigger project. So everyone has a Writer's Workshop packet in your folder, and kids will be writing a persuasive essay. We did a personal essay before, and now we're doing a quick persuasive essay about the best region of Oregon. And we'll explain this in greater detail on Monday. Kids can use the readings they did last week as a reference for research. I asked kids to save that packet, but if they accidentally turned it in, which I did get a few of them back, you can find a digital copy in Clever. So when you go to Clever under Classroom Resources, just click on Regions of Oregon and you'll get a PDF. You just have to scroll through to find the region that you're reading about. And if anybody wants to access this, it will be there for everybody, because at the very bottom, there is a detailed grid with all the notes that you took. You have that copy, but you might want this one because it's kind of a shortcut with all the details of the important stuff for climate, physical features, etc. So that is in Clever under Classroom Resources. You can just click on that if you need it. And then this week, we've wrapped up our health unit last week. So this week, we're going to do a little geography project where kids are going to take a piece of cardstock, which is in their packet, and make a tri-fold little travel brochure about a region of Oregon. They might choose to make it about the one they're writing about, or they could choose a different region if they want to. So I'll be working on that piece by piece all week. And then just remember that Thursdays, if anybody wants to, they can do the lunch with Miss Blum at 12:40, and the code is IRVLunch4. And then on Friday, we will have Fun Friday. If you want to see your friends one last time before the break, you can log in at 1:15. Have a great week.